Hello everyone, I'm really happy to be back here, and there's been a lot of changes in my life, and I'm so happy that I have time now to shoot this video. And before I do that, I want to give you a little context. So first, there is a civil disorder and unrest in my country right now. The government is being overthrown or something like that. I don't know, because there is internet shutdown and I haven't have access for internet for about 3 days, so I don't know what's going on really. I've been sitting at home, and on top of that I think I have a COVID, because I don't feel really well, and I think you can hear it by my voice. Passed my test and I don't have internet to access the results, but anyways, I'm sick and there is shutdown everywhere in my country. People want their political and social benefits that they haven't been able to get. And I live in Almaty, Kazakhstan, and our country is really rich in oil and in different minerals and stuff like that, but unfortunately there is a great divide between rich and poor, and that's been a problem for a long time, and finally people decided to change and do something about that. But I'm not going to get into politics because I don't feel that I'm qualified enough, and I don't have any data, so that my words will be just an opinion, and I don't want to make some claims that are not true. I'll talk about manifesting because my channel is about manifesting, and this day I had an insight that I need to talk about manifesting in times of unrest. And it's easy for me, it was easy for me to manifest when I had everything in place. I lived in the city center in a nice apartment, and I had everything that I wanted, and I've been able to manifest everything that I wanted. I lived in a safe and quiet and good environment where you can thrive. But I think it's good that now I am in the position like this, with no internet, with lots of uncertainty, because I don't know what will happen next. I don't have any cash, and people in the shops, they only accept cash, and there are not so much things left in the shops actually. Yeah, but I'm really happy that I have my parents and I can get some food from them and some cash from them. But anyways, it's like a really hard time for all of us. I just wanted to document this and to show you and share with you with my experience that even it doesn't matter actually what's going on in outside, what's going on in your country, in your city. Even if there is internet shutdown, even if there is unrest, you can still find peace within, and you can still find some things to be grateful for, and you can still keep manifesting. And the best insight I had from all of this situation is that for universe it doesn't matter whether there is unrest, whether you are in the internet shutdown, whether you are in Afghanistan, in Kazakhstan, US, India, or whatever country you are. For universe it all doesn't matter. It will find a way to deliver you anything you want, even if there is I don't know, country shutdown, even if there are boundaries closed. Universe will always deliver you whatever you want, and it doesn't matter for it it doesn't matter what are the barriers that there are now, physical barriers or any other barriers that you think will keep universe from getting you whatever you want. Today I realized that, and it struck me. I was really desperate and upset that I couldn't find any ATM because everyone just took all the money in the ATM so far, and I only had my credit card. I didn't have any cash, and the shops now are not accepting credit cards and they are only accepting cash. And I was like, okay, I am the queen of manifestation. I am the expert in manifestation. I teach people manifestation. I just need to manifest it. And for universe, it doesn't matter again how much money to give to you, how much of the goods, gadgets and stuff to give to you, and what are the circumstances that you're in, whether you can get it or can't. It's all measured with your faith. The more you believe, the more faith you have that you can get it, no matter what are the circumstances, the faster the universe will deliver it to you. And if you have these doubts like, oh, but there is an unrest now, oh, but there are no working ATMs right now, there is no cash right now in the city and stuff like that, of course universe will not deliver it to you because you don't have this faith and you don't believe. And I just want you to grasp this idea and to understand that for universe it doesn't matter where you are, and the only thing is that you are in control. You are the master of your own reality, of your own destiny. And if you believe that universe will deliver you whatever you want, no matter the circumstances, it will deliver it to you. Actually, I'm really happy, to be honest. I'm really happy to have this time to do nothing and to have some rest, because recently I've been keeping up with all this routine that I hate, and I had a lot of reports to write that I didn't want to write, and I wanted to get some reset time, some me time, some relaxed time, because during the holidays it was crazy. I had a lot of work to do and I didn't have time to rest. So now I have this time to rest and to reset and to take care of myself. And yeah, I think it sounds crazy and strange and people are panicking and not knowing what to do, but I'm happy that I have this time. I have time to keep up with my physical routines, like taking care of my skin, taking care of my body, meditating, doing EFT and all of my practices, reading. And it's great to be unplugged from the internet and relax without having any guilt for that. And this is also a great time to go back within and turn off this noise, this outside noise, this noise from the internet, all of this news. People are not calling me, and I'm really happy about that I can just unplug and see what's there in my head, what's there in my soul, what's bothering me, what are my big plans, what is my vision for my life, what are my wishes and stuff like that. And actually this is also very good because you start to appreciate little things. Like I started appreciating having coffee every morning in the coffee shop that I can't have right now. I just drink an instant coffee for now because everything is closed. And having like Uber, or being able to buy anything you need right away in one click, like having delivery services and stuff like that. When everything was taken away, I started to understand and appreciate these little things. And also I think I was caught up in my comfort zone a little bit because I've been manifesting a lot of things recently. I manifested this new apartment. I'll talk more about it in my next video. And I also manifested a contract with a huge international company, and I was really happy about it, and I was also busy doing it. But anyways, I felt a little bored, you know, when you manifest everything that you want, you're like, okay, what's the next thing that I need to manifest? What's the next thing that I want? It feels like you are getting to your ceiling and that you don't want to manifest anything more. But now I understand why I need a car, because I can safely move from one place to another. And for now, I haven't had a reason to want a car, because I had Uber and I had like my parents driving me around anywhere. But now when I'm caught up in the situation like this, I know like for sure I want a car, I need a car, and I'm going to manifest a car. But before I didn't have this reason. Again, with like money, I had enough money to buy myself anything I wanted. Like I went shopping with a stylist, I bought everything that I wanted, like a lot of candles and everything, books and stuff like that. And I thought like, okay, what else I need money for? And I didn't have any reason again. But now I know that I need enough money to book a jet in a situation like this, so I can get my family safely into the other place, or I need enough money to be able to live in the situation like this, to flee my country if I need to. And I think it's good that I had this reason, because I was asking for a universe, like, what should I manifest next? Why would I need more money? Why would I need a car? Or why would I need anything that I need to manifest? And I think that is a huge sign. And finally, I'm really grateful that I have time to shoot this video for you, because like for the past 6 months I haven't been able to shoot anything. I have time to edit this video and make it a little nicer than my previous videos, adding a little bit of dynamics, changing sceneries and stuff like that. And I don't know, I'm just happy to be able to sit here and to be able to grasp this idea that I can't be bothered with things that I can't change, and I only can do whatever is in my power right now, like taking care of myself, doing my practices. And I'm really happy that I started meditating and finding out more about awareness, about peace, and about like stillness, because it helps me a lot in times like this. And I see a lot of people panicking and going a little crazy, really, but I'm happy that I can be still and understand what's really important, and understand that everything passes and comes and goes around, and I just need to be happy and grateful for whatever it is I have now in my life. So thank you for watching this video. I know it's a little, maybe it's a little messy, and I hope that I was able to convey my thoughts to you, to make it clear that even in times of unrest, even if you live in the country with no stability, even if you have some problems outside, it doesn't mean that you can't manifest. It doesn't mean that you can't live the best life. And anything you have right now in your life, it will pass. And even if you're caught in the center of unrest like me, and also having COVID, it doesn't actually matter as far as you being able to control your thoughts, being able to filter your thoughts, and trying to choose gratitude, positivity, and love. I hope I'll have more time to shoot more videos about how I manifested my own apartment, and how I manifested a contract with like huge international organization that I've been dreaming of for like few years. And that is why you need to like this video, share it with someone who has the same situation like I am in right now, and like just comment or show me any support. And I don't know when I'll be able to upload these videos, but I'm sure that as soon as the internet will go on, I'll be able to share it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this and for following me, and I'm really happy to be with you again and having this time to shoot my videos and edit it and upload it. Okay, bye!